Congratulations, Mr. Metham88. You just won the first ever Channel Cat Chaser giveaway. Yes, sir. So you should be proud because you're going to have this sweet 3.5 foot tall princess coming and this monkey. Oh, you can spank that monkey all day long. And there's also some other stuff in there that's going to be helpful to you, with all that naughty stuff that you and the missus do. So anyhow, thanks for watching. Keep unsubscribing. Congratulations, Metham88. We'll see you next time.